Guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to add control panel icon to Windows 10 desktop. So guys, if you want to add control panel icon to Windows 10 desktop, so very easy. Firstly, right click. After click on personalize and left panel, here click themes. After click on related settings in desktop icon settings, so click in desktop icon settings and here control panel, check this box. After click on apply and click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to add control panel icon to Windows 10 desktop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.